Hi. Here are some phrasal verbs along with sentences to help you understand their usage. Show up. Let's use it in a sentence. First sentence. Despite the heavy rain, everyone showed up for the party. Second sentence. Everyone was surprised when he showed up at the party unannounced. Turn up. Let's use it in a sentence. First sentence. The missing keys turned up in the jacket pocket. Second sentence. My keys turned up in the last place I expected them to be. Take off. Let's use it in a sentence. First sentence. The plane is scheduled to take off in 30 minutes. Second sentence. The plane is scheduled to take off at 9 a.m. Run out of. Let's use it in a sentence. First sentence. We need to go shopping. We've run out of milk and eggs. Second sentence. We need to go grocery shopping. We've run out of milk and bread. Look up to. Let's use it in a sentence. First sentence. Emily has always looked up to her older sister as a role model. Second sentence. As a mentor, she encourages her students to look up to positive role models. Bring back. Let's use it in a sentence. First sentence. The old song brought back memories of their first dance together. Second sentence. The old photographs brought back memories of their childhood. Break down. Let's use it in a sentence. First sentence. The car broke down on the way to the airport, causing them to miss their flight. Second sentence. Unfortunately, the car broke down in the middle of the highway. Catch up. Let's use it in a sentence. First sentence. They decided to meet for coffee to catch up on old times. Second sentence. After years apart, old friends decided to meet and catch up over coffee. Hold on. Let's use it in a sentence. First sentence. Please hold on for a moment. I'll be right back with your order. Second sentence. Please hold on for a moment while I find the information you need. Find out. Let's use it in a sentence. First sentence. Detectives worked tirelessly to find out the truth about a mysterious disappearance. Second sentence. They hired a private investigator to find out the truth about a mysterious incident.